TV shows, movies, you name it. Bunch of great applications like Letterkenny or even Shoresy if you're into that stuff. Hey, what's going on, guys? Special request for this one, so check this out. If you're looking to install an application called Crave TV, you may or may not have heard of it. It's available up here in Canada. And if I like to travel down in the States, this is how I would try to get it. So we have our Amazon Fire TV stick here. First thing we need to do is be able to sideload Crave TV onto our Amazon Fire TV stick. So head to the search icon. In search, type in downloader. Downloader will give us the ability to sideload this application onto our Fire TV stick. So just type in downloader, D-O, comes right up really quick. The orange icon, and just select it, get it, and install it. So here it says I already own it, so yours may not, so just get it, download it, and install it. Downloader acts like a web browser and gives us the ability to download applications onto our Fire Stick. So once downloader's installed, we can just head to the home icon. Now for this to work the best, we do need a VPN. So if I'm in the States, I'll need to locate myself back home to Canada. So I would highly recommend a VPN, IPVanish. The number one VPN I would recommend for this application. We can click on IPVanish, download it, get it, and install it. Now once we have these two downloaded and installed, head over to the settings icon, the very far right, my little basketball player there, and click on settings. Come down to My Fire TV. This is where we need to enable an option to sideload, to enable downloader to sideload these applications. So here I have developer options listed. You may not, and if you don't, that's okay. Head up to About and click on it and highlight Fire TV Stick. Use your remote, select about 6 to 10 times, and as you can see it says here no need. I'm already a developer, and it'll say congratulations, you are now a developer. So head back one, and now you should have developer options listed. Click on developer options, and here I already have ADB debugging enabled on, so you can turn it on or off. It's not going to make much of a difference for this. We can just keep it on if you want. And then under install unknown applications, click on that, and now we have downloader, so we can click on downloader and turn it on. This will enable downloader to sideload apps onto your Fire Stick. So let's go back to the home screen. Now we're going to use downloader like a web browser. So let's find downloader, the 3 squares plus sign here, your apps and games section. As you can tell, our last downloaded applications come to the bottom here. So I'm going to just highlight downloader, push the 3-line button on our remote, move it to the front. I'm going to do the same with IPVanish. Move it to the front. So let's highlight downloader and open it up. Once downloader opens, it will ask us to allow downloader to access photo, media, and files on our device. We will want it to do that, so say yes to allow. A quick start guide here. You can read through it if you'd like. Hit OK. And here we can highlight the enter of URL or short code. We have a short code here. Our short code's 370178, and this will head to our led by the unknown download page. So click go. There is a 5-second redirect. Once this redirect is completed and the page has started to load, we can use the 3-line button on our remote here, and we add current page to our favorites and say yes and save that, and then we no longer have to worry about entering the short code or anything. Down on the favorites on the orange side, on the orange bar on the side there, you just click on it and find this page. So here we're in the download section. There are many applications for you to check out and download. Today we're looking for Crave. And on our way down, I would highly suggest you get out your phone and scan this QR code. It'll give you a good deal on IP Vanish with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So let's head down to the movies, TV shows and live streaming section. And here we have Crave TV. We can click on Crave TV. That's what we're looking for today. And then further down under Crave, the Install Crave TV section, we have the Download It Now button. So click on that. It will redirect us to a Download APK section. So you can click on that, and it'll start downloading the latest Crave app available. Do I want to install it on our application? Yes. So we'll hit install, and the app is installed. So we can let's hit done first. Don't open it up yet, because there is an installation file which we no longer need. So we can hit delete. And yes, delete, confirm. Now guys, back out once, back out twice, back to or 3 times to the download section and check out the other applications that are available. There are a ton. Enjoy. Now, back to Crave. Let's go back to the home screen on our remote. Hit the home button to the home screen. Now, we will need to turn on IP Vanish. So click on IP Vanish. Use the link in the description below and log in. Create an account and log in. And once you've done that, and we've gotten to this page right here, use the little map icon button down in the bottom left. And let's find Canada. As Crave is enabled in Canada, we can click on Canada. I like to favorite Canada and then click on it and then connect to Canada. Once IP Vanish is connected to Canada, it'll give us a new IP address and we're good to go. So we can go back to our home screen. And head all the way back to that your apps and games section, the 3 squares plus sign symbol. And Crave should be down in the bottom, ready for you to open. So I'm going to use my 3-line button on my remote, move it to the front, and now I can go back to the home screen. And Crave's there's front and center. Now we can click on Crave. And here, as you can tell, up in the top right corner, sign in. So we got home, TV shows, movies, you name it. Crave's got some good TV shows trending now that are on and running. Bunch of great applications like Letterkenny or even Shoresy if you're into that stuff. Enjoy. Happy streaming. I hope this fulfills your need and want for some good movies and TV shows. Take care. Happy streaming. Peace.